Hey, hello and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. This is Reflex Image. If this is your first time visiting, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification icon. And if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. So in today's video, I think I'm switching over to using AI to edit my picture. So this is the all new 2024 Photoshop. Although it's not all new, but I just got it because I had issue with payment in resubscribing. So and I got my generative fill, which helps me when it comes to manipulation. Trust me, I'm going to be creating crazy stuff with this. And if you're using the free version of Photoshop, kindly go and subscribe right now to access generative fill to enhance your picture editing skills. It's very, very easy. Just give it command, and it's going to do what you need for you. So in this video right now, as you can see, I'm done with most of the manipulation. This is the manipulation I want to do. But on the floor, I don't want the fabric to be there anymore. What I want there is flower petals. So we just single click right now. The beauty about it is that it's going to retain the shadow. Everything you need in the picture is going to be there. But first thing you need to do, the way you do manipulation, separate your subject from the backdrop. As you can see, I have my subject separated from the backdrop right now. Right now, as you can see, I selected the fabric. Let me show you. I selected the fabric with the subject. So now I'm going to select the subject from the. I'm going to deselect the subject because where I want to fill up the flower vase, flower petals is just this white area. So let me just deselect the subject. Let me just select the white fabric alone. Control D first to deselect. So I'm going to click my quick selection tool, which is over here, and I'm going to select the area I want to select. Make sure it's an addition. I'm going to select it like this, like this. You can see. So I'm only selecting the backdrop, the area I want to fill up with the what should I call it, with the flower petals, without it affecting my subject skin or whatsoever. As you can see, I make a perfect selection, and the selection tools when it comes to this Photoshop is very, very enhanced, very, very easy to use. So what you just need to do once you're done with the selection right now is just to go to generative fill, click on generative fill, then type what you want over here. So what I will be typing right now is pink flower petal, pink flower, flower petals. So you're going to click on generate. If you're using the free version of Photoshop or you're using the crack version, trust me, you're not going to get access to this generative fill. So make sure you just go and subscribe today. And if you're in Nigeria, try getting a dollar card because you can use your normal Nigeria card to purchase this. And let's search for what it's going to give us right now. Let's see if it's going to give us what we want or it's going to give us something entirely different. And boom, look at what it gives to us right now. So the first option is not given to me. So that's why the three options are there. So let's click on the second one and see. Let's click on, and you can see right now it's load another type of flower petals for us. And if you're not okay with that, you click on the third one also again. As you can see, there's no way you're going to see one to actually pick out of it. And it's not giving you all what you need. Just click on generate again. And it's going to generate an entire new collection of flower petals for you to fill up the area. And it's going to make it look very, very hyper realistic and make your manipulation look very, very neat. The beauty about it is that it's going to retain the shadows for you also. So someone will actually think that's how the shadow is. So now let's add just another thing to this picture to entice it a little bit. So what I'll do right now is I'll click on my rectangle marker tool over here, and I'm going to select over this area. So what I'm going to be searching for right now, I'll go to generative fill. Then I'm going to click on, what should I click on? Okay, let's just click on wine glass, and see what it's going to give to us. Then click on generate, and let's see the option is going to give to us right now. And boom, look at what it gives to us right now. It actually created a wine glass for us. Though the size is big, the reason why the size is big is because I selected a wider area. You can see it's blending in with the flower petals which you have down below. You probably don't like this wine glass. You can just click the other one. You can click the next one. You can see it's blending in with the initial backdrop. So that's the beauty of it. You can create it as seamless. You can add so many files. And look at what you just did for us here on the flower on the glass. It actually reflected the flower petals inside the glass. So making it look very, very realistic. What you just need to do right now is just to do a little few adjustments to it and you have a nice manipulation already. So I'll be dropping more tips on how to actually use Photoshop 2024, especially the generative fill, to create nice image because I know so many people have 2024 Photoshop, the premium version, and they are not using it to the full power. So I'll be sharing tips for you and also the key to generate nice pictures, nice manipulation, both for indoor and outdoor. So this is the 1.0. Stay tuned to the next video. See you guys in my next tutorial. Reflex out. So in case you're interested in getting any of my picture editing file, from my overlays down to my color lookup, which is my lot file. So you just have to scroll down to your video. So under the comment, this is my description. So it's not going to load the description for you. You just have to click on show more, click on it. So it's going to show all the options. Once it does that, just click on my store link. So here's my store link. Once you click on it, it's going to take you directly to my store. So you can actually select any file you want. From the color lookup, this is a light skin LUTs. This is a feather which I use in my recent video. This is 100 premium baby overlays. This is my first video course. This video course entails on how to download all the files I want. The site I use in downloading all my files free of charge, including my Photoshop panels also. This includes my PNG files. This includes all my packs, all my picture editing files, my premium overlay, my PNG, my flying fabrics, my color lookup, my presets. So once you buy this, you've already bought everything apart from this one. So here is my flying fabrics. Here is my, in case you want to give me any project for me to work on. Here's my color lookup. Here is my background overlay, and here is my preset file. So in case you're interested in buying any one, you can actually go for them. The good news there is that you can actually buy your own currency, any currency of your choice. You can buy with any currency of your choice.